Here we have a hidden Tang Kiritsuke Gyuto. This is in CPM MagnaCut with 2 pieces of G10 as spacers, an antler ferrule, and this beautiful piece of dyed and stabilized highly Chantoyant mango. On the antler, I did leave a little of the external bark there. And then you can see a creative acid wash on that blade. It is a hidden Tang handle, so it is much more lightweight than a full Tang. You can't see the Tang running around the outside of it. And so just to give you a few little specs on this knife, the length is 6 3/4 inches. The depth from spine to heel right here is 2 inches. The handle length is 4 3/4 inches, and that gives us an overall length of 12 inches. So then the next question is, what do you use a Gyuto for? This is a great all-purpose chef's knife. The Kiritsuke literally means this cut-off section right there, and that can make your point work much more fine. So if you do specific cuts like doing julienne things or doing very specific thin cuts where you need that nice point, not having basically a drop point up here can give you less friction and just do more delicate work. Otherwise, this will function much more similarly to like a Gyuto, where you have a nice long flat, you've got a nice big belly that you can rock up on, so you can either do rock chopping or push or pull cutting, and it's literally your everyday breakdown knife for most of your chopping tasks, whether it's vegetables or meat. So there we have it, the Kiritsuke Gyuto in MagnaCut.